Hello friends, welcome to Technique. Today I have got this Fitbit Alta. This is a fitness tracker equipment, and this is a wristband kind of thing which you have to wear on your wrist, and then you are able to track your fitness level on daily basis. This comes with an app. App is available on Play Store as well as on iPhone. So let's unbox this one and see what you are going to get in this one. It is nicely packed. You can read as what is it. It is mentioned over here: fitness wristband, all day activity, sleep quality, smartphone notification, and there are some more options available in the app. Through the app you would be able to understand what are you going to get in this one. So let's open this one. Okay, you have to slide it. Nicely packed one. Here is RFID tag, and to open this, it's like this one. So this is the wristband which we are talking about. This is the main device. Nice one. This you have to wear on your wrist. And what else you are going to get? There are some. Okay, these are the quick guides. Yeah, user manual, quick guide, Fitbit, safety and all. And after that, there is another box inside it. This is having the this comes with a USB dongle, which probably you might have to connect to your laptop or the system to communicate. There is some option to hold the device, basically to charge it. This is the charger. Okay, charger cable you are going to get. What else? There's nothing. This is nothing. So this is all what you are going to get inside the Fitbit Alta, and this is going to be used along with the Android and iPhone app, where you would be able to track your all day activities, how many times, how many hours you have sleepings and all. Yeah, there is some something which many people have been complaining, that it is not coming with any heartbeat tracking. So for that purpose you may have to go for something other model of it, and this is available in different color also. I think there is one purple color. This is the blue one which I have, and through that you can track your daily activity, how much you are doing and how much you are sitting, how much you are maintaining yourself. This is a smart one, and there are various competitors to Fitbit, but Fitbit is one of the pioneer in the market. So if you have any query regarding this Fitbit Alta, please do not hesitate to put in the comment box, and I would again request you people to please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video.